Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. It's your boy Jay Spence and this is Jay Spence TV. What is going on? Welcome back. It's been a while since I posted a video. It's because there's not been a lot going on except that I did move the car from the storage parking spot to my garage, and that's really about it. I'm still waiting on the shop to finish all the other projects that they have going on right now so they can be ready for me. We can get this build actually started instead of just piecing things together piece by piece. So today I'm just going to show you a couple of unboxing of a few things like my radiator, my intercooler piping, the turbo manifold, the downpipe, and my standalone or piggyback, whichever you want to call it. So let's get to it. Before we start, I just want to show you my little homeboy squirt right here. About 6-7 inches long. Gotta clean up the tank one of these days. And other than that, what are we doing? We have the bearded dragon, Lizzie. She sits here all day, not a care about the world. So first thing is my radiator by Yanaka, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna unbox this. Picked these up the other day. Nice little steal, but I'm gonna take this to the garage, open this box and a few other boxes so you can see what I have going on for me right now. Like I stated a little while ago, I did tow the car here and parked it right here. I got boxes and another trunk, front bumper, rear bumper. Yeah, so it's here. Just gotta get everything put together for what I can do while it's here until it goes off to the shop. Alright, here we go for box number 1. This is going to be my downpipe and manifold. I already opened the box because I was like anxious to see what it looked like. Got it for pennies on the dollar, really cheap. So this is a downpipe. Pretty beat up, like right here. But we'll see if it does the job. So it's downpipe. Next is the manifold. Pretty heavy. Wells look good. Has the V-band flange on it. I believe it's a 43 millimeter. So once I order my downpipe, we're going to see if that's big enough for me. If not, you can always upgrade. Box out the way. Next box. This is the brains of the operation right here. So with this, I'm going to this box first. I went ahead and chose the ECU Masters Black, or EMU Black. I have to open this box. Security seal, okay. The scissors on this. Don't judge the scissors. Okay, moment of truth. Okay, it's pretty good. So this is the brains of the operation, whether you call it a standalone or piggyback. Comes with a bunch of other things that I really haven't read into yet, but this is it. ECU or my EMU Black Masters Black box. course, I went ahead and got the plug and play harness strap for the 02 to 05 IS300. It's pretty good, decent quality. Well, not decent, like amazing quality. Check this out. Looks good. Oh, almost ate shit. It comes with the O2 little sensor. Perfect. Perfect. Oh crap. Next is the radiator. Have not opened this box. So let's see what's inside. Oh shit. Oh, look at this. It sent me a hat. Perfect. Lanyard. A little card for social media. A license plate bracket. Moment of truth. Maybe not yet. Honestly. Packing peanuts and whatnot. I'm gonna clean this up. Oh yeah, I'm cleaning this up. Screw it. Oh, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This radiator is fucking amazing. Excuse my language, but this is amazing. And I got it with the two fans. Man, this is nice. This is real nice. Of course, the car is auto, so all radiators that come for the car are from manual. So I ended up getting a external, was it transmission cooler or whatever. Ended up ordering that already. Oil cooler, I believe. Not sure. I ordered that through Mishimoto from the shop. So yeah, that's that. But I gotta clean all this crap up. Neighbors gonna hate me for this. Last but not least, I had a homeboy send me this, and he's been telling me to open it for God knows how long. So now I'm finally open it, so I can send him a picture and show you guys what exactly is in the box. Of course, I'm gonna have to take this back up, but I can take this up good. Got scissors. a message about this whole taping job, because this is crazy. Wow, this is nice. So, boy went ahead and sent me this intercooler. It's not the best condition, but this should do the job. So this intercooler kit basically came from a company back in the day, SRT Racing, and I guess he's held on to this for a while. He's finally decided to let it go. So this is basically their intercooler kit. You know, a B-band, blow-up valve. It's gonna need a gasket, pipes, mass airflow sensor. More pipes. Brand new filter on here. It's a Spectra filter, but I don't know if I want to go with or without the filter, but hey, it's a good filter. It hasn't been used. Yeah, it smells good. But yeah. So this is it so far. Still got more parts to come. Not sure if I'm gonna order anything else myself. Maybe like miscellaneous things like the radiator hoses for the radiator. Like I said before, the trans cooler and the oil cooler. I did order that through the shop, and they ordered it from Mishimoto so that they get better deals. They're gonna be ordering the turbo and everything else, fuel system. Yeah. Can't remember all the parts offhand, but they're gonna be ordering majority of the parts. Another update is I went ahead and ordered the rear quarter panel for the car by Ascuri Garage. I got the front bumper from them as well. They emailed me a couple of days ago saying that it is in the works. I've heard stories where people say they got it within a month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. At the moment right now, I'm not in no rush to get it, but it's nice to know that I have it on order. I think that's it for now. Yeah, that's really it for now, because like I said, I'm still waiting on them to finish their projects, and hopefully within the next few days they do hit me up letting me know that they are ready to get the car towed there and start the work. But with that being said, please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to the next video.